If you live in Muskegon or Muskegon Heights, Richard Engels Jewelers in Granville pays serious money now.
Hi, I'm here with Dennis Engels from Richard Engels Jewelers. This is an absolutely beautiful silver dollar.
I love this coin.
Now this says MS64, which means Mint State, you were telling me?
MS64 PL, proof-like.
Okay. Which means it's got that same mirror surface that you were showing me with the other proof coins.
And I think this is the second year of issue for this Morgan silver dollar. This is in great, great condition.
Now, that doesn't say PCGS or NGC on it like some of the other slab coins I was looking
This
at.
is an annex.
Is that okay?
Oh,
or-
that's great. They're the first ones to start slabbing coins.
Oh, okay. Very good.
That's great. If you have any of these, or if you think you have, in doubt, please just bring them into Richard Engels Jewelers, downtown Granville, 4031 Chicago Drive, or give me a call at 534-7039.
And remember, if you live in Muskegon or Muskegon Heights, you're just a short way from Granville and Richard Engels Jewelers.